We are here again to show you how to add order timeline tracking in the Food Menu plugin. So let's get started for this tutorial. Firstly, go to the order timeline or tracking to track every status in your orders and share a live tracking page with customers. Let's enable time order timeline option. Next, set your tracking link expiry days. Then set your tracking page title. After that, completed status. You can choose any one from these. Then enable show notes on tracking page to display staff notes. Then click on Save Changes for these all features and go to the site to visit it. To check our customization, let's add the items to the cart first and then click on Checkout. Now place an order. For the testing purpose, we are trying with a demo. So fill up the form first and then click on Place Order. Instantly, you will get this type of appearance for your order details. Then on the top, click on My Account and then go to the orders. Here it is. Click on it. According to the customer and status, choose the status processing, and the next step is order timeline. Choose the order timeline according to customers and order status. If you choose prepping for the customer and status, then same order timeline will be displayed. Let's try for the other option and save it here. Now see the difference after changing. If you choose ready, then it will also be displayed as ready after saving this. Furthermore, if you want, you can attach a short note to the current status. It replaces any existing note on the latest status entry. If you further want, you can choose again customer and status. After changing, it will also be changed in the order timeline section. After that, now share the order tracking link. For this, copy the link first and then open a new tab to paste it. And this is how customers can easily track order for the status. Every steps are shown here. This is so easy for adding order timeline tracking in the Food Menu plugin. Thanks for watching.